Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is 7 days 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Pisces. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 19th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy for Pisces people for this week. I'm going to keep the readings very short, simple, and precise today because I'm tired beyond words. Some construction work is going on at my place in Mumbai, and I'm doing this reading at 11 p.m. because I'm kind of scared that you guys are going to you always leave. A lot of people start crying, and I don't want them to cry. So the overall energy is maturity. So Pisces, your maturity is going to be tested in some way. You have gone through some kind of situations in your life before as well, maybe multiple times, and now this time you have the chance and the opportunity to react in a totally different way, or maybe not to react at all and let it be, let it unfold naturally and organically instead of reacting too much or doing something about it in a negative way. So you have to, your ego and your patience is going to be tested if you are going to let your ego win. So let's say, for example, you're having some kind of issue with your sibling, and they're not mature enough to understand things, but you are. So are you going to be the part of the drama or fight or issue, or are you going to just stay calm and let it be, and maybe they will also understand that things can be resolved in other ways also, right? So this is going to be the overall energy for this week. Let's see the per day energy for this week. '13th healing. So 13th of October, Pisces, the moment you are going to start this energy of expressing yourself in front of the universe, the healing process will start. Okay, the moment you are going to express yourself properly and let the healing begin, the healing will start. Your head and your third eye chakra and your solar plexus chakra are going to be activated, or they needs a little bit more energy from your side in order to let the healing begin. There is helping energy around you, healing energy around you. Make good use of it. Maybe you should take help from somebody who can help you to heal yourself, heal your energies, or maybe they will teach you how to heal yourself. But this is a beautiful day to start the healing or restart the healing process. Okay. 14th, participation. So even if nobody is watching you, give your 100% participation in a particular situation, especially if it's a teamwork or team project or some other people involved in a situation, volunteering or something. So even if nobody is watching, even if nobody knows what you are up to, give your 100% in a particular situation, and you will be able to get good results, maybe not immediately but eventually. So from your side, give your 100%. No matter what other people are doing and what they are up to, you don't have to bother about. You don't have to care about them. Just care about your own energies. Okay. 13, 14, 15th, maturity again. So there is definitely some kind of issue coming up again in your life in the form of maybe other type of problem or something, but it's almost similar that you have experienced before also. So how you are going to react and manage the situation with maturity is the question here. So it's kind of a test from the universe's side whether you will be able to resolve it properly, or you are going to react the same way. That's the question here. That's the deal here. 13, 14, 15. 16th, breakthrough. You guys are going to have some kind of breakthrough in a particular situation. It's like some kind of solution coming right in front of your eyes when you will be least expecting it to happen. Some kind of answer to your questions or solutions to your problems. And then for some of you, you are tired of a repetitive energy that keeps on coming back to you again and again and again. And this time you're going to be like, okay, enough of this shit. Now I have to get out of this. Okay. And then you are going to create this breakthrough. But you are going to get the surge of energy to get out of a situation that's no longer making you happy, that's no longer giving you this energy of like, I forgot what I was saying. Pisces, I'm so tired. So that's no longer serving your purpose and not helping you anymore. So you are out of it, or trying to. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th, receptivity. So from your side, Pisces, the more you are going to be in the surrender and receptive mode, the more your life is going to be blissful and beautiful and positive. You will be able to find out a lot of solutions to your problems or issues only if you are going to be in the surrender mode. Let the universe do its job. Let the things unfold the way they should, organically and beautifully. Okay, and whatever is meant for you will eventually be with you, Pisces. Sometimes all we have to do is surrender and let go and be in the receptive energy. So whatever is come, take it as a blessing. Whatever hardships, symbolic hardships are coming, take them as symbolic lessons, so that they can turn into blessings in the coming future. A lot of us don't do that, but this is the real meaning of this card, is this energy of being receptive. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18th, success. So Pisces, you guys are going to have some kind of success that you should definitely enjoy and celebrate. It's like you are going to feel at the top of the world, but at the same time, try to remain humble and grounded. Try to understand that this success is something that other people can also achieve. You don't have to be in this negative attitude or this ego that nobody else can have this success, only I deserve it. And instead of going like on cloud nine in a in a ego based energy, try to remain humble and grounded, and maybe help others also to achieve this kind of success. That is the meaning of real success, staying humble and grounded and helping others and inspiring others also to get something in their life in a positive way. Okay, that is the real meaning of real success. 19th, letting go. See, letting go. You guys have to learn the art of letting go and detachment so that life can flow through you, so that life can happen to you. Okay? Okay, so that you can make room for things that are actually meant for you and let go of those things and people and situations that are not helping you or serving your purpose anymore. And sometimes we try to control each and everything in our lives, especially the outcomes, or especially we become so obsessed with the idea of getting something done that we just get obsessed, just get desperate. So at that moment, letting go is the answer. Actually, letting go is the answer of everything that we are suffering from. Okay, it's the most difficult task, but once you learn the art of detachment and letting go, you are going to be the most peaceful person inside out. Let me see the guidance for you guys for this week, Pisces. Come back, honey. This card is like coming out for you again and again. So this is friendliness. So the guidance here is, if you are one of those people who have a limiting belief or conditioning of that these kind of people cannot be your friends, or females cannot be friends with males, or this type of religious people cannot be friends with atheists. Okay, so this is just your perception, this is just your limiting belief and conditioning that is stopping you from enjoying the real meaning of real friendliness. You can share a very good bond with people from any kind of religion, any kind of sex, any kind of background. Hmm? So friendliness is not based on what they are up to and what they look like, or what is their gender or anything. It's based on the roots. It's based on the deep feelings, deep energy and respect that you share with someone. So if you have certain kind of limiting beliefs or perceptions around surrounding friendship, you guys have to work on that, and keep a flexible and open mind that friendships can be totally different from what we perceive them as. Okay, in our lives. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.